Imagine paying for your groceries and earning Bitcoin mining power as well using one simple card. That is what the brand new GoMining Card claims to do. And in today's video, we are breaking down this card, how it works, the real benefits, the hidden risks, and is it really worth it? Because this could either be a very smart crypto tool or another flashy feature. And now let's dig in. The new GoMining Card is pretty much a debit card connected to your GoMining wallet, where you are able to spend your Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, and the GoMining token. So instead of transferring your crypto from your GoMining wallet into an exchange, selling it, transferring that to a bank account, and then spending it with the GoMining Card, you'll be able to spend the crypto inside of your GoMining wallet without having to go on an exchange, without having to wait multiple days for it to transfer into your account. It automatically converts the crypto at checkout, and it allows you to earn cash back in the form of terahashes. That means more mining power. Think of it like a crypto debit card with mining rewards built in. And according to GoMining, it is currently being rolled out to over 130 countries. So how does it work? Step 1, fund your GoMining wallet. You can hold Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, or the GoMining token. Step number 2 is to apply for the GoMining Card. You can do this on their website or in the mobile app. You will have to confirm your identity. And step number 3, wait for the card to be delivered, and you can start using it anywhere Visa is accepted, which is pretty much everywhere. So when you swipe this card in a store, it converts the crypto automatically. The payment is instant, so the card is very simple to use. Simply swipe it like any other card. So no more manually swapping your crypto, sending it to multiple exchanges, waiting for your bank. This product literally makes it super easy, and that is pretty much the main benefit of this card. It makes the entire process of spending your crypto much easier and faster without all the hassle. And now let's talk about the key benefits of this card. Benefit number 1, spend without ever leaving the ecosystem. This is actually a big deal. Before, you need to mine your Bitcoin, withdraw your Bitcoin, send it to an exchange, sell your Bitcoin, move the money to a bank, then spend it. But now you mine, spend, and earn more power. It is a much smoother loop that removes a lot of friction for everyday GoMining users. Benefit number 2, automatic crypto conversion. This happens instantly when you make your purchase. So no more timing trades or swaps. With this card, it makes it super easy. Benefit number 3, you earn mining power on every single purchase. This is a unique feature. There are a lot of cards that give you cash back or crypto, like the Gemini Credit Card, link is in the description, but this card gives you mining power that will help you earn even more crypto. So every time you swipe this card, more terahashes will be added to your Bitcoin miner, and you'll be able to earn up to 5% back into mining power. It all depends what tier level you are on. So to find the tier level, simply click on the VIP levels in your account. So for example, card cashback, you are going to earn 0.5% back if you are bronze 1. That means you have no terahashes whatsoever on your account. You're brand new, you don't even have a miner, which I will show you how to get one for free. Alright, then the more power you have on your account, the more cash back you're going to get. So as you can see right now, I am on gold 2. So with this card, I'll be earning 1.5% back in power. But if you're all the way elite, then you can earn the whopping 5%, which starts out at Legend 1. So Legend 1 all the way to elite, you're earning 5%. Then you'll be earning 3% in all the diamond tiers. Platinum, you are going to be earning 2%, gold 1.5%, and so on and so on. So in theory, every time you spend, you're getting more power to earn more Bitcoin so you can have more money to spend. And now let's talk about how you can get a free miner, and that is actually benefit number 4. Once you apply for this card and you get it, you are going to get a 1 terahash free miner. Obviously, a 1 terahash miner is not life-changing, but it is definitely a good start. Benefit number 5, everything is inside of the mobile app. So you'll be able to view your card, you'll be able to lock your card, unlock it, you'll be able to track your spending and your rewards. Personally, I love this simplicity. And now let's talk about something that most people won't tell you, because every crypto card has its trade-offs. let's talk about the cons. This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Are you tired of tax headaches every time you buy and sell crypto? Imagine stacking up for your retirement on your terms. With I Trust Capital, you can buy and sell crypto, even gold and silver, inside a tax advantage IRA 24/7. Roll over an old 401k or open a traditional or a Roth in minutes. Keep everything in one dashboard and use the institutional grade custody with straightforward fees. So if you plan on investing in crypto for the long term and you want to take advantage of all the tax benefits, you got to get yourself a I Trust Capital account. If you use the link in the description box below and you fund your account, you are going to get a $100 bonus. What are you waiting for? Check out I Trust Capital. Con number 1, KYC is required. For a lot of the maxis out there that want to stay anonymous, if you want to take advantage of the benefits of this card, you will have to confirm your identity. Con number 2, conversion timing. We have all heard the story of the guy that spent the 10,000 Bitcoin on a pizza. We all know how much 10,000 Bitcoin is worth right now. So with this card, it allows you to spend the Bitcoin that you are mining, your GoMining tokens, and stable coins. So if you have mined $1,000 worth of Bitcoin and you end up spending it on some pizza, just know that 5-10 years from now, that might be worth a ton of money. It is the classic crypto spending trade-off. Do you want to spend now and reap the benefits, or do you want to save and hopefully it is worth a lot more in the future? You're choosing convenience now versus potential future growth. Con number 3, the cashback is in mining power. You're gaining terahashes instead of actual cashback. Some people prefer cashback, other people prefer crypto, and now they have a third option of getting mining power. So getting terahashes back can be very powerful in the long term, but it could be less flexible in the short term. So you need to understand both of the trade-offs. And the final con is the VIP status. To earn the whopping 5% back, you need to have a lot of mining power. So a lot of casual users that got 1 or 2 terahashes are not going to get the same rewards as the VIP guys that have thousands and thousands of terahashes. So who is this card best for? Active GoMining users, people already stacking terahashes, long-term Bitcoin believers, users who love spending their crypto. And this card may not be for you if you are a pure Bitcoin holder and you never spend any of your BTC. People that want to stay completely anonymous, and people that want to get cash back instead of mining power. So what is my honest opinion on this card? Is it really worth it? In my honest opinion, I'm definitely going to be getting this card. I want to have that option. The way I see it is just another crypto tool to have in my arsenal. I want to be able to spend my stable coins instantly. I want to be able to spend GoMining tokens. I want to be able to spend my Bitcoin by simply swiping a card and without having to wait weeks to transfer it into my bank account. So will I use this card every single day? Probably not, but I definitely want to have it in my wallet. I personally believe it is an amazing tool to have. Just imagine you are in a very difficult spot, but you got $2,000 worth of crypto. Instead of waiting 2 weeks to be able to spend that money, you can literally spend it with this card instantly. Transfer into your GoMining wallet and use that card to pay your bills, to make that emergency purchase. I definitely want to have this benefit available to me. And did I mention, if you get this card and you spend $100, you are going to get $20 worth of mining power. This will help you scale up a little bit faster. So if you want to try out this card, simply go to your GoMining account and apply for it. It is free. And if you want to start mining Bitcoin and getting those daily payouts, check out the GoMining link in the description box below. Use that promo code to get an extra 5%. So to sum it up, I think this card has a ton of potential, and I cannot wait to see how people start implementing it in order to earn even more Bitcoin. There's going to be a lot of strategies based around this card, so stay tuned for those future videos. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you'll be getting this card. Like, subscribe, see you in the next video. Peace out.